Hello guys and welcome back to Lethal Xcess. And today, again, full blaster. So, we are going to complete level 4, which is Volcanic Plateaus. And level 5, which is Fortress of Methallycha. Methallycha, which is going to be very cool. And we already got full blaster. Already just 1 or 2 seconds, right? And we already get the full blaster. Well, yeah, wow. Very cool. Okay, energy, got 6 lives. We gotta complete this. Easy. Bones sticking out of the ground. That's fine. You see that every day in the park, am I right? No, you don't. Oh my God. You do not see that. I bet. If you do see it, I think you're not lucky. Yeah. But you might be a very good scientist. Gosh. Alright. No time for jokes. Just go. Don't collect the triangle. Triangle's sick. Looks like a pyramid, but it's very lame. Doesn't do nothing. There we go. Boy. You know, I thought of making the video like when we use all of the ones, but not the triangle, but I thought, this is going to be harder, so maybe I'll just do it with the blast. I'm sorry for the people that waited for it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Alright, but we're still gonna complete the game, yeah? Alright? We're still just gonna complete the game. Energy. Wait, that looks like a...
Extra life.
Extra life.
We missed it.
Flip. Kill the shaman. Or is it a bug? I don't know. So many eggs. I'm gonna get egg hypnotize. I'm gonna get the eggy weggy hypnotize. There's so many eggy weggies. Oh God. I'm gonna get the eggy weggy hypnotize. There's so many eggy weggies. The shaman's inside the eggy weggy. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. So many eggs, so many stuff. There's rockets, and we need energy. There we go. We got energy. What is that? Fire! Whatever that is. Oh my God! There's so much stuff happening. Oh, dragons! Lava dragons! I don't feel good about beating the Ender Dragon now. So scary. Yeah. Alright. We're on land. These dragons so freak me out. Energy. Thank you, boy. Oh. I don't know what these balls are like. The meatballs. If those balls are meatballs and this lava is ketchup, I would call this the food world. With these eggy weggies. Oh, I need to help. Stop talking about eggy weggies and all that stuff. No, I feel very hungry now. That's why I'm talking all about this food. Yeah. Trying. Why are they shooting triangles? It's the dumbest attack. I would really like to change it, but I can't. Oh. if the lava was actually, no, the boss. Is that the boss? I think that's the boss. Yeah, that's the boss. Take that, you dragon, emperor of Doritos and all that stuff. If the lava is actually ketchup, that would be so nice. I would be like, yum. I'm so hungry right now. He's shooting all these cheese balls and all that stuff.
Yay!
I'm just very hungry. We got the cannon. This is another weapon, guys. Alright, level 5. Fortress of Methallycha. There we go. Now I know the name. Don't worry. If you can't read it, get me to help. I'm the helper of all names of this. Press the button. It looks like the ketchup world. Still looks like the ketchup world. But never mind. This is not ketchup world. Oh boy. I'm gonna get the blaster. That was just an accident. We gotta get the blaster back. Let's see. The C attack does nothing. Yeah.
I'll take the second. This one is good. For now. For now.
Boy.
And then you get the
We
blaster.
got the double sun shooter.
This is very good.
The double sun. I'm sorry, son.
I'll take the blaster now.
I'm sorry, son of the universe.
The blaster is
Suns. All the suns of galaxies.
better. Take another blaster.
Get it. Oh boy. We look so beauty. We look beauty. We look like beauty. Step aside, Mr. Artificer.
Another blaster. Wow. Full blaster. Power up.
Step aside, King of Blasting. There's a new blaster in town. Me. Oh boy. Oh baby. We're just completing this. We're just doing it. Love it. Just killing all that stuff. Baby rockets coming out of baby holes. What is happening? This is madness. Oh boy. Just destroy it. Oh man. Oh man. I want to rest and eat.
Oh, this is invisibility. Now we are invincible.
Oh, finally I can rest and eat my
Yeah,
chicken
you don't
wing.
need to bother to, about
Finally! I can rest and eat my chicken wing.
that. Exactly.
Oh, baby. I can eat my chicken wing.
Don't forget on the right to get the
boy.
extra life. There is an extra life on the right. One of these helicopters give
I
you
want to
extra.
eat some spaghetti.
Wow, another extra life, is it?
Bro, I can't eat some spaghetti. You finish.
Don't take the skull. The skull will give you the downgrade.
Mr. Skilly, you're talking
The
about...
skeleton is very mean.
You're talking about Mr. Scully.
The Mr. Skull.
Don't listen to him. I'm a pro gamer. Don't listen to him. I'm a pro gamer. Just you gotta use the power of the chicken nuggets. Yeah. Then you will win. Just joking. You just gotta use the blast.
Blaster,
That's
the
it.
best. That's
No,
the best weapon.
the power of the chicken wing is not even in the game, so don't bother.
Yeah. The blaster is the best weapon because it's
I
very
don't know
wide.
what I'm saying anymore. I
It's
don't
very
know.
wide,
I don't
the
know
way
what
it
I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I feel
Oh,
very
here you get
stupid.
another 4 blasters. Look.
I feel very stupid.
Super blaster.
Super blaster, mega blaster,
You have a mega
ultra
blaster
blaster,
now.
the blaster of gravity supernova.
Yay! This is a super blaster.
The gravity blaster supernova 848065849682 1. Blast off! Blaster!
Oh, not the triangle! Don't take the triangle.
Triangle is like cringe. He's so like...
Don't take the triangle, it's dangerous.
The triangle like...
That's the worst. That's the worst weapon.
Yeah. The triangle is like...
Be careful with this.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on. Come on, man.
Get some energy.
Look at these missiles.
Yeah.
It's the lasers. Madness.
Don't forget to destroy. Destroy this will give you.
If humanity made a time traveler machine and you travel to 3333 or 7777, which is the hacker code, yeah, you would literally see this madness happening. A space toilety like thing. I'm sorry for the people that like this spaceship. For me, it looks a little bit like a toilet.
No. This game
It looks a little
is
bit like a toilet.
in the future.
If you teleport to this time,
But it's another
you
planet.
will see a toilet spaceship destroying other aliens. So this is Earth. Desert America is gonna be the desert of no return. Be careful. Don't go to America. If you are in there, just panic. Not now. Yeah. No.
Focus on the game, Danny. Don't talk about other things. Focus on the game. What's happening now?
I bet the person who is driving this spaceship is very tired. Which is me. Well, approximately...
Take all the money.
Well,
Take all the money. Gives you points.
Which, approximately, I am not in the spaceship, but I am outside of the spaceship, but I'm... Well,
You are inside the spaceship.
And like, not... I am, as a human, not inside of the spaceship, but I am controlling the spaceship.
Yeah,
Which does not make any sense if it was in real life, so just don't think about it. Don't get very close.
Don't get this. This is the last part.
Don't get very sus about it. Just be like you're in the spaceship. Just use the real
Yeah, but what are you shooting now? Talk about the game.
Use the imagination.
Talk about the game now. Don't talk about the future.
Come on, Mr. Come on, Mr. Toilet Spaceship. Come on. Okay, another.
It's a big spaceship. It's a little bit big. You are an easy target for the enemy. That's the problem of this game. The spaceship is too big.
Come on.
But you have a level of energy, so you don't hit with one hit. See, you can survive.
I think this is something like a rocket.
Now they will give you energy blaster. So the game is very generous.
I think this is like a future plane.
See, now it gives you full energy. Look, it's very generous. What do you want more from the game?
I want cookies and donuts. This is what I want from the game.
Are you ready for the final boss?
I don't want extra lives. I want cookies and donuts. This is what I want.
Are you ready to beat the final boss?
Oh, baby! Give me the laptop. Give me it. I'm ready. I don't see any bosses.
Use the joystick.
I wish the boss is cookies and cream. No, it's not. I'm so hungry.
He spit you.
I'm so hungry. These are the cheese ball shooters.
These are not cheese ball. It looks like fire.
These are the cheese ball shooters. Shoot more cheese balls.
It's amazing. This game makes you hungry.
Yummy cheese balls.
This game makes you hungry. Hungry or angry?
Makes me feel that I want to eat some donuts, baby!
Eat the monster. Destroy him.
I'm coming to You know, this game feels me that I want to eat some donuts and chicken wings.
No, hit him with a blaster. Hit him. No,
yeah, I want to eat some chicken wings. I just got 4 lives.
You almost destroyed him. You destroyed it.
Wait, we died.
Mama, you destroyed it.
Oh, I think we beat the game.
You beat the game?
I'm the king of the chicken wings now.
Show me what's happening now.
I'm the king of the chicken wings.
Which planet is Methallycha? Show me with a finger. Where is Methallycha? Which planet did you destroy? Let's see. Let's increase the volume to hear what happened.
Poor planet.
Yeah, but you destroyed it. 7 million. Your score is more than above 7 million.
Oh my god. Poor planet.
Wait, what is it? Congratulations.
You know, I actually a little bit feel bad for the planet.
Congratulations, you totally blasted the Xandrinian Empire. No more evil will be spread from the planet Metallic. Wow.
The end. Well, I got more than 7 million, which is amazing. And don't forget to smash the like button, the button, and the subscribe one. And tickle that bell. Turn on notifications, which will be cool. And till next video, let's do 150,000 likes. That will be worth for another video. Well, and bye-bye. Thanks for watching.